Hi everyone and welcome to another Figma tutorial. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create a responsive Figma table. As you can see, when I adjust it, you can actually see that the items on the inside adjust as I move it around, so they are responsive. So without wasting time, let's get into today's video. Alright, so first things first, we're going to create a new project. We're going to call it responsive table. Alright, so we're going to type in some text. Let's just type in the word rank, and then we're going to give this font size of 30, bold, pop-ins. So that's actually what we'll do. So we're going to right click and we're going to add an auto layout. There we go. Then we're going to give this auto layout a fill. Gonna give it a certain light green, dark green color that I like. Just the coordinates 079073. Alright, there we go. Then let's change this text to white. Alright, then we're gonna center align that text. Just make sure it's centered, center alignment. Then we're gonna set the horizontal padding to 40. Right, that's looking good. So when you select this frame and then we try to drag it around, you can actually see how the text actually remains in the center. It remains positioned. That's actually what we want it to look like. Alright, then so this is gonna be the first column, the first title of the first column. So we're gonna duplicate this. Just click Ctrl D 5 times. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I want 5 of them. Okay, so we have these different columns, and then we're gonna select all of them. Just select all of them. Then we're going to add another auto layout. Just click add auto layout. Okay, then we'll have that frame 6. Now we're going to change this. We're going to change the spacing between the items to 0. Okay, now that's looking better. Right, now when we select this entire frame, you actually realize that the items don't move with the frame. Now we need to correct that. Now to do that, you're just going to select each individual frame and just make sure to select fill container. Go to width and say fill container. Click fill container. Let's do that quickly. Just going to click fill container. Alright, so this time when you select frame 6, you actually see that they actually now adjust and they are more responsive. Alright, so there we go. So next we're going to duplicate this entire frame. Just click Ctrl D. Creating this heading, we're going to duplicate this. So just zoom out. Just click Ctrl D 4 times. Ctrl D, Ctrl D. Alright, so there we go. We now have different frames. So we're going to select all of them. Then we're going to add. So select all of them again. Then we're going to add auto layout. Then we're going to set this to vertical alignment. Then we're going to set this spacing to 0. Alright, so there we go. Then we're going to have these different frames all within. So we're going to select frame 7 and frame 9. Okay, then we're going to give these we're going to give the text a dark gray color like that. Then we're going to give the background a white. Alright, and we're also going to select frame 8 and frame 10, and we're going to give this we're going to change this color to some values in the coordinate that I have here: D1, D9 and D3. Alright, then we're going to set the text to this dark green color. Right, so there we go. It's actually looking alright. Now before we do anything, you realize when you select frame 11, they actually don't adjust equally. So what happens is we're going to select each frame and just make sure to set to fill container. So select each one and say fill container, fill container, fill container, fill container. So select frame 11 again, and then let's say, actually you can see it actually works properly now. Right, so next I'm going to change the text within to different sizes. I'm going to go into frame 1, frame 6 right here. I'm going to select the different text within. We're going to give these a different size. We're going to give them size 24. I'm gonna set this to, oh, so actually I selected the wrong frame. It's just going to frame 7. So talking about this frame here. So just open it up. I'm gonna select the text within. Just make sure to hold Control. Then I'm gonna set the text sizes to 24 and set this to medium. Right, so that's the size of text you wanna be using. So I'm gonna make all the changes to each one, and I'll just speed up the video just for you. Okay, so let's get in. Alright, so there we go. We've actually changed the items into something more realistic. So when we select the frame, you can actually see it also just adjusts with the different items that are within. So that's how I would actually create a table that's responsive in Figma. If you like this video, feel free to leave a comment to tell me how you felt about the video. Then please feel free to leave a like on the video. And if you're new to this channel, I encourage you to join the community by clicking on that subscribe button, and then make sure to hit that notification bell so that you get updates every single time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.